In order to scale and grow, many will need to seek investment, and many actually fail for one reason or another. So, the objective of today's conversation is to understand how to be successful to prepare for a business funding. What are investors looking for, particularly during times of uncertainty? Now, I'm delighted to have Charlie on our conversation for today. Charlie has been helping startups and been in that ecosystem for quite some time, particularly around helping them to scale and grow. Charlie, welcome.
Yeah, I appreciate you having me on, Kate.
For the sake of our audience, can you give us a bit of a brief introduction in terms of who you are, how you got involved in working with startups, and the sort of deals that you're working on?
So I guess the best way to think about what I do is I kind of act like a sports agent for the tech world, where there's two core pillars to my world, essentially. On the first side is I run an innovation studio where we collaborate with Fortune 500 companies all the way through to a really cool ecosystem of startups to build amazing products. So that's working with a founder from literally their idea through to getting them with a product in market that can hopefully become very successful. Sort of through the last 5 years, we've partnered with over 25 different accelerators from around the world. So Techstars here in London and Toronto, through to Future Labs in Singapore. And our Highlight Accelerator is the biggest concept stage accelerator in the world in Silicon Valley that's backed by NASA. So NASA gives space tech to exciting founders to see if they can commercialize it. And we were the digital concept partner for that, which was a great time. So that's sort of phase one, is product and innovation. The second side of things, as you mentioned, is more on the investment side of things, where we help all types of different stages of startups raise money, essentially. And we do this through a global network that we created called the Peach Collective, which is top entrepreneurs from around the world who collaborate over the best deal flow that they've got in their ecosystems, so that our investment networks in each of our countries get access to some of the most exciting opportunities in the game. And our portfolio of companies that we're helping raise money get access to this global network. The network sort of runs from Dubai all the way through to Silicon Valley and some juicy stuff in the middle. So hopefully today I'll be able to provide some value around what investors are looking for from a product perspective, how to get that first seed level funding all the way through to your Series A, B, C, and understanding some of the key loopholes that you've got to jump through to try and make that happen.
So, if you enjoy this content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll be creating weekly business boardroom conversations just like this.